Hello everyone, I'm your host Shagurika Bhattacharya. Well, this time I'm not here to talk about hospitality or food. This time it's about fashion, lifestyle and your skincare. What is it? Let's see in Love It Listed what is store for you. We all love winters, but yes, winter do come with few concerns like dry skin, itchiness, same the problem with scalp as well. For that, I have some good remedies. So this episode, we are going to indulge with these issues. Why? I am at the Anardana, as you could see. Yes. Why I am here? Well, we are celebrating Oteria's first anniversary. Now, who is Oteria and why we are celebrating? Oteria is a unisex brand who takes care of skin problems and skin care. And not only skin care, they have hair care as well. So what is it? What are the concerns for winter care? And how you can take care of your skin? We are going to solve these all queries in this particular episode. Because me and my fellow content creators, we are here to celebrate the first anniversary of Oteria. So I'm here at Anardana. Yes, this place is really unique. You know why? Because the theme, if you look around, it is actually about the retro Bollywood nature. Yes. See? Very beautifully curated. It is beautifully curated. And the cuisine is all about modern Indian cuisine. Well, we get to eat it, but yes, this is something different. It has a lot to talk about. If you see the Bollywood, if you are a Bollywood lover, then definitely this is the right go-to place for you in Noida.
All the hard times, it's all about being real. When I told you that I loved you, I meant every word I said. But sometimes don't get involved and nothing stays the same.
Well, now I am excited to know what are my fellow content creators have to talk about Oteria. Why? Because they've been using it for the last 1 year. I'm sure they must be having their views as well. So let's see what they have to talk about Oteria as a brand.
Hi, myself Amisha Sinha.
My name is Akash Mehta. I'm a fashion content creator.
Hi, my name is Ayushi Dikshit and I'm a fashion and lifestyle content creator.
I'm a content creator and influencer, and today I'm
Here at Anardana because Oteria has invited me on their first anniversary celebration.
If people are thinking about only girls having a skincare problem, so no, men's have only problems for the skincare and hair.
I have just received this hamper. So this is the brand. It is a skincare brand.
so like I have to travel a lot. Just like today, I have also traveled like 3 hours to reach here. So for that, I have to take care of my skin, and Oteria is such a helpful thing for me.
Thank you so much for giving me this lovely hamper to Oteria team.
These are the products that I've received.
I will show you some products of the Oterias.
I really love this eye serum because, yeah, of course, you can see my eyes are really stressed, and doing my night care routine or day care routine, eye serum is must. Giving those things to my eyes, you know, the rolls. It's so soothing and calming. Oh my god. Guys, you must try this. You will love it.
Let me show you this product. So this is a face mist and it is super light on the skin, and I would totally recommend it for winter skincare.
So I get the perfect solution of the skin care, and they give me a lovely product of sun care gel. They give me a perfect glowing skin.
So now I have with me Vibhor Rastogi, the founder of Oteria Group. I'm Vibhor. Thank
Hi,
you so much for
Sagarika.
coming
Thank
over.
you. Thank you for calling me.
Thank you for this lovely hamper.
It's a Valentine hamper.
And congratulations for your anniversary.
Thank you very much.
Well, I've been using Oteria for the last 1 year, and believe you me, my skin issues had actually gone like anything. Because I used to actually face the dryness, the itchiness. It has gone because of the serum. The scalp used to get really dry, thanks to again to the serum.
Because of
And the
the
new
serum.
thing which I have seen, that eye gel, that's really amazing.
It's amazing.
And I believe you me, all the content creators who you have invited,
Yes.
they were really having these issues, and they've been using the products, and all of them were
Yeah,
like
I had a
gaga
word
about
with
it.
many of them. They were happy. They were happy, and they said that we were using it and we got a good effect of it.
Because there are many brands in the market, but it is very important to know the right product, the right brand, and specifically these are vegan.
Yeah, it's totally vegan. These are vegan and being associated with science.
So what is the theory is behind that? If you could just tell us about that.
Look, we are into pharmaceuticals, so science is always our chapter. So we wanted to explore something that should be a science-based but should be vegan. And we wanted our customer to use this product so that they can have the science-based results with the vegan products.
You just said that you came up with the name Oteria. So I really wanted to know what is the meaning of Oteria?
Oteria meaning is harmony and music.
Harmony and music.
Yes.
Oh,
so
lovely.
we have incorporated both the thing in our product.
That's
Yes.
brilliant. And I'm sure that with this anniversary, we are looking forward to celebrate more anniversary
Yeah,
with
there
Oteria.
would be a more anniversary, and we are coming up with more good products.
What are
Our
the best-selling
selling products are under eye cream serum, face gel, hair serum, and bounce back skin cream that is encapsulated retinol. That is with a liposomal technology.
Okay, that's a little technical, but yes, I'm sure it's going to do wonders for us.
Yeah, it is. It will do wonder. It is doing wonders.
Yes, some tips which you want to give to all the generations out there.
I just wanted to say to all the generations, Gen Z and everyone, to use Oteria and feel the effect.
So, had an amazing time. Fruitful day, must say, with sumptuous food at Anardana and lovely products from Oteria. Though I've been using it for the last 1 year, but this new kit is really amazing. Looking forward to unbox them. And do not forget to take good care of your skin and hair because it's very important during winters. So, I'll see you later. Till then, keep watching Love It Listed.